নমস্কার, দেখছেন কলকাতা টিভির সঙ্গে রয়েছে শুভাঙ্গী। শুরু করছি চারটে চারদিক। রাজ্য থেকে শুরু করে দেশ বিদেশের যাবতীয় গুরুত্বপূর্ণ খবর এই অনুষ্ঠানে তুলে ধরবো আপনাদের জন্য। তবে জিএসটি 2.0 বিষয়ে আলোচনার সভায় কলকাতায় উপস্থিত রয়েছেন নির্মলা সীতারামন। দেখব সরাসরি।
GST Council in the GOMs, which looked at rate rationalization, which looked at insurance premium being taxed, which also looked at the compensation cess. These three GOMs were sent the copy, and because Bengal, Kolkata citizens are very aware, I want to say here, because periodically you hear this voice from some in the opposition. Oh, the Prime Minister made the announcement from Red Fort, so imagine what is the stature of the GST Council. GST Council is a constitutional body. We respect the body and its complete autonomy. What the Prime Minister said from the Red Fort was, we will get you a tofa gift before Deepavali. Something is happening in the GST Council. He didn't spell out the rates. He didn't say anything about the compensations, whether it's going to continue or whether it's going to shut. Nor did he say everything that which has been given is for the sake of the people, so it will clear. Nothing. He just indicated. And what actually happened post that? We followed every rule of the GST and made sure, and in fact that day before the PM announced, well before he announced, if I'm right, even the previous night, the group of ministers were sent the proposal already. They had received it, they would have seen it as well. So it's not as if the PM is announcing much before they received it. They have all been sent the due papers and they've received it, after which PM gave a clue. So that is one thing for clearing some doubts which some people may have. Okay, so with all this, the GOMs considered it, and after that, post the GOMs to the council, which is what the rule says. You should go back to the council to take a final call. And every aspect of it had been looked into. Even opposition ruled states, inclusive of Bengal, had agreed that this proposal from the union, insofar as it is dealing with the rate reduction, insofar as it is talking about the slab reduction, and insofar as it is dealing with health insurance related matters, and insofar as it is dealing with the compensation cess, they are all with us. So there was near unanimity on the proposal which was given by the centre to the GST Council. And that is why, after the council meeting was over, when I came to address the press, even though it was a bit late in the night, I began by saying I'm thankful to every member of the GST Council for having come together and in one voice agreed on this. So where was the difference? States, particularly those in the opposition party ruled states, had a concern that this proposal, yes, it is in favor of the common man, yes, it is bringing rates down, but what if it results in revenue being lesser than what it is before for states? Who is going to fill that gap? Was the question on which the states had discussed. And I had in the council very clearly heard all of them as the chair of the council and said very clearly to them, and which is what I will say here, even the example or the way in which I explained it is what I did in the council. I am putting it to you here. I said, if there is an revenue, it is for both the centre and the states. And in the GST Council, all of us are seated as equals. The centre has 1/3. The states together have 2/3. And I sort of dramatized to say, we're all sitting together here. There is a bori or a gunny bag in the center. All of us are earning our GST, and the money goes into the gunny bag, which is in the middle. If it is falling short of our expectation, all of us have to improve our collection efficiency and bring more money into the gunny bag. If it is not because of that, and if revenue is actually showing good buoyancy and we are having more, happily all of us will share it. But I, representing the center, I am not sitting with a suitcase next to me which is exclusive to me, that I can take money out of it and fill the gap in the gunny bag which is at the center. There is no donor-donee relationship within the GST Council. So there is no way in which this concern that what if there is a revenue impact, who will fill the state's revenue falling? Center's revenue falls even further, because if the GST is divided between the center and the states 50-50, everything that you earn will be 50% given to the states and 50% will be the center. From the center's 50, 41% still goes to the state. The center ends up having only 23% of the total, and for us the fall will also be seriously impacting us. So that explanation I kept giving more than once, but I will be amiss if I don't give credit to the states for having come together and agreed and approved on this proposal to reduce the rates. So to that extent, I'm grateful to everybody. I said this to the media as well.